Assuming that you are now using split keyboard mode, to change the size of your Samsung split keyboard in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Under style and layout section, tap size and transparency. Since the split keyboard only available in landscape view, now hold your phone in landscape view. To change the size of both keyboard, drag the handle at the top of the keyboard. You can drag it upward to make it taller or downward to make it shorter. You can also drag the handle at the left or right side of the keyboard to make it smaller or bigger. If needed, you can also move the keyboard by dragging the button in the center. If you are satisfied with the customization, tap down button to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.